Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2020 Ford Explorer. These flaps are made of a heavy-duty premium rubber, offering a durable and sleek fit for your vehicle. And the best part, they're made right here in Canada. Let's get started. To start, remove the 3 factory screws on the fender as shown. Next, use 3 sets of black screws and washers to loosely attach the first 3 holes on your mud flap to the vehicle as shown. When installing the mud flap, ensure you position a nylon washer and spacer on the back of the 3 holes to create proper support on the flap. Next, use a marker or a paint pen to mark where the topmost hole of the flap sits on the fender. Once the position is marked, place a U-clip onto the plastic fender liner as shown. And secure it in place using a black 1/4-inch bolt and washer. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Next, find on the liner where your mud flap sits. Then, use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill through the liner and flap as shown. Once done, place a 1-inch nylon spacer between the flap and the liner as shown. Then, place a supplied bolt and washer through the flap and secure it in place using a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.